Hey guys, I'm Sawan Kumar back here to talk to you about rejections. How do you see rejections? Do you really think they are important? Do you really think it is at all worth to give time to understand what rejections are? Yes, it is. Trust me, rejections are really important for me, for you, and for everybody to understand how important rejections are. You know, what you are today and what I am today is not because of the choices that we made, but it's because of the rejections that we made. It's because of things that we rejected in our life, things that we chose not to be a part of in our life, and that is the reason what makes us what we are today. Yes, rejection is a really important part of our life, and we will be talking in very details about how rejection plays a very important part in your life, be it your career decision, be it your business decision, be it in your job, or be it in your personal life, wherever you are. Rejection is one thing that if you do carefully, consciously, and with a full understanding of what the rejection is, you are on a sure path to success. Success in your personal life, success in your professional life, and success in your overall every aspect of life. If you understand how important rejections are, and if you are able to take the right decision, the right angle of looking at the rejection. Yes, if you are able to do that, you can be really successful. How to do that, and why is it really important? Where do we see in our real life how rejections are happening in every aspect of our life? Well, you won't believe that, but it is happening at every moment in your life right now. Have you ever seen a beautiful sculpture or a beautiful uh, model being made out of a marble stone? How is that possible? From a stone that was just a part of a mountain, that is brought and carved into a beautiful sculpture. How is that possible? How does that happen? So, what exactly happens is the stones that are not required are rejected, are taken out, and a beautiful shape comes out. How does the diamond become a diamond? Because a lot of rejections are made there. When in an interview process, when in your any of the competitive exams, what is happening there? You're not being selected, you are being rejected. You are first being rejected because if we have 1000 job applications, it would be really easy for us to reject 950 applications and then only focus on the last 50 selected ones. Now, those 50 we didn't select, we rejected 950, and the balance that was left, we called it that we selected 50. But the actual thing was that we rejected 950. We saw the resume, we saw the qualifications and the experience. Okay, rejected, rejected, rejected. And then there were a few that were left as selected. So, when we are able to nicely, consciously able to reject things in our life, what we are left with is a beautiful sculpture. Yes. So that is how, and that is why rejection is really important in your life and my life. I am what I am because of the rejections that I have made in my life, and you are what you are today because of the rejections that you have made in life, or you have not made certain rejections in your life. You did not reject any kind of addiction and you got addicted. You did not reject any kind of bad habit and you got into that bad habit. You did not reject falling into a trap and you fell into that trap. So you did not reject or you rejected something. This is just where the difference lies in you being successful or you not being successful. So if you just know what to reject and what not to reject, you can become successful. Very easy. I won't say it's a very easy thing to do, identifying and understanding what to reject and what to accept requires a lot of thoughtful thinking, requires a lot of, you know, time and experience. But there is one thing which, if you have within you, allows you to come or to go beyond the rejection thing, and that is, if you are able to come out of the doubts, if you are able to come out of the confusions, if you know of your target, if you can see your target, your goal clearly, if you do not have any doubt about anything, if you are never confused about anything, that means you have rejected a lot of things in your life. So if you are in doubt, if you are confused, there are high chances that you will make a bad choice. There are high chances that you won't be able to reject that bad choice. So the only and the easiest solution to make a good choice and to reject what is supposed to be rejected is to be confident, is to not be in doubt about anything, is to see your target clearly, is to know your goal clearly. If you try not to be in doubt, if you try to be really confident about whatever decision you have made, about whatever things that you have thought in your mind, you are done. Yes, you are done. You do not need to worry about what would happen if let's say you have a career decision to take. Now you are confused, you are in doubt, what to do, what not to do. There are these many things, there are these many options. That means you need to reject a few things, and then what you will be left with is what you will be selecting. So to be able to select something, or to be able to reject so many things, you first have to be clear, you first have to not be in doubt, you first have to be not confused about what you want in your life, how successful you want to be, how much of money you want to earn, how valuable you want your time to be. If you want your time to be extremely valuable, if you want that your money, you have a lot of money, then you will know what things you have to reject. So if you know that you want to make your time valuable, you will always be knowing that you need to reject things that will be wasting your time. You will be knowing what are the things that will be wasting your money, your time, your effort. So if you are sure that you want to make your time valuable, if you are sure that you want to make a lot of money, if you are sure that you want to be successful, and if you are sure that you want to achieve your goal and your target, there is no doubt about being stuck with those rejections. When you are sure, means you have already rejected 99.9% of the things, and the only thing that you are left with is that success, is that goal, is that target. So if you are able to do that, you are going to achieve all that you have ever wanted in your life. When I have been confused, when I was confused about my life, about what to do, I knew nothing about my life. I had no vision, I had no mission. I did not have any goal in my life. What did I do? I was always confused. I was like, always wasting my time. I was always doing something or the other, nothing useful. I was always confused. I didn't know what to reject and what to accept. I always said a yes, okay, yes, I'll do this, okay, yes, I'll do that. But the moment I brought that clarity in my mind about what I want to do, about what I want to achieve, I knew what to reject. I knew what not to do. Even when I run an IT company, in my IT company, I know what kind of clients I need to take and what kind of clients I need not take. It is easier. So to the entire sales team, I have a clear instruction that, okay, we are not going to target these kind of people. So we have to reject. Even when we do a digital marketing campaign, We need to know what kind of people we are rejecting. We need to know what kind of people we are not targeting. So okay, 18 to 24 age group of top people are not whom we would be targeting in this marketing campaign. So we are rejecting them. We are excluding them from our research. So that is how we are doing rejections in our life, and that is how you will be doing rejections in your life. So let's say you have a lot of career choices to make. So you are confused between taking commerce or taking science after your class 10th, and you are really confused, and you really do not know what to reject and what not to reject. Then what do? The next and the easiest step is to understand what you really want to achieve in your life. What goals do you have? Once you have that very clear in your mind, once you have no doubt about that, you will be very easily able to reject maybe science or maybe commerce or arts, whatever you want to reject. It would become really easy. So first, do not be in doubt, do not be in confusion about anything in your life. Be it about a girl, you want to talk to her, you do not want to talk to her. So what to do? I'm confused. Should I approach a girl? So I'm coming down in the lift. I have a girl, a beautiful girl out there. Now I want to talk to her. I want to say a hi. But I'm in doubt. I'm confused. Should I? Should I not? And the lift reaches the ground floor and she goes off. So what happens? I kept being in doubt. I kept being confused. And I didn't achieve what I wanted to achieve because I was not sure about what I want to achieve. Similarly, a lot of things keep happening with us. I want to, be really good with maybe playing cricket, but I'm confused. I'm not sure. I'm in doubt. And I won't be able to reject the other options that are in parallel with cricket in front of me. So I hope things are now starting to make, little bit of sense. So you need to stop being in doubt. You need to stop being confused. You need to stop being distracted. If you are distracted, if you are confused, and if you are in doubt, you will not be able to make the right choices in your life. You will not be able to reject the right things in your life. It's really important that you reject the right things. If you rejected a good opportunity, quite possible that opportunity might never come to you. So you have to be very clear and be very thoughtful, extremely consciously. You have to decide what you want to reject and what you want to accept. Something might be very useful for somebody else but is not useful for you. Something, when you go out to do shopping, what do? You select something or you reject something. So you are walking into an aisle with so many clothes around. What do? You reject. Oh no, not this, not this, no. Oh, that is what something I like. So first you reject so many things. You reject the crowd, and then you focus on what you select. What is left after rejecting so many things? So it's as easy as that. When you are, let's say you are out to buy a motorcycle or a car, you first reject a lot of things, a lot of brands and a lot of things because of finance problem, because of money, because of the quality, because of the brand. You reject so many things, and what you are left with 1, 2 or 3 choices, then you figure out, okay, this is good in this particular feature, this is good with the price point and different kind of things. So rejection is the key. If you understand and if you can reject the right things by not being in doubt, once again I would say, do not be in doubt, do not be confused, and do not be distracted, and you would be able to reject the right things, and automatically you make the right choices in your life and be successful. Have a good day, and do make sure that you like and subscribe my channel if you want to keep getting similar videos that would interest you, help you in becoming all the more successful with your life. Have a good day. Bye bye.